Hey guys, what is going on? It's back with another video. In this video, I'm going to do a room tour. This is my room door shut right now. Video in a while, so I'm just doing this because I'm bored. So yeah, let's just get right in my room. First thing you see whenever you walk into the room is my computer. Yeah, I actually bought LEDs for this. I'm getting them for Easter. So I bought LEDs for this so I can put them onto the back here. They're red. And then I shut off the lights and it's gonna like look awesome. But yeah, I have my PC, which the side of it glows up blue. Oh, my awesome gaming chair, just amazing. And I got my keyboard, my mouse, my mic. I got that mic a week ago. And I got these drawers, my batteries for my mouse. Yeah, and then over here is my closet. I got track shoes right here. They're pretty sweet. Look like this. Up in here. Got my tripod. I got the drawing thing. I like drawing. Got my drone that's broken. And I got these Ferraris. So then down here I got my Xbox 360 with its controllers and crap like that. Bunch of other stuff in here. Behind here is an outlet which I charge my phone and my iPad on. Got my ice skates because I'm going ice skating tonight. And right here is my Xbox doesn't hook up to the TV. My Apple TV does. But yeah, I connect to my Xbox through that with the Xbox app. And my hamster. I got his little ball right there. Yeah, guys, there's really nothing much else. Oh wait, I actually have one more thing to show you. See, so I have this binder down here. Where is my uncle, which played in the MLB, right there. Back in John, and his down here. This is back in. This was when he played for the Dodgers. This was 1996. I think this is actually when he started, 1996. But yeah, we got his own card. We have his baseball bat downstairs. Yeah, and guys, that's my room. If you did enjoy, please like this video. Go subscribe up there. I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers pretty soon. Yes, I'm at 68, which means I need one more for 69. Oh yeah. But yeah, so that means I need 31 subscribers till I get 100. So yeah, it's crazy, I know. So if you could just go up, take a second of your time, press subscribe. Once I get 100, I'll probably do something stupid. But yeah, I'm also gonna do a stupid video for 69 subscribers too. But yeah, so see you in the next video. Goodbye.